Hey guys, Jacob here from Leading Edge Industrial. I'm here with Lamira. And what we're doing today is we're disassembling lathes. So what we originally did at Leading Edge is utilize a process called COTS, and it stands for Commercial Off the Shelf. And what we did to establish a market for our CNC machines is we took an already established manual, in this case lathe, and we disassemble about 70% of the components, leaving just the castings. So that's what we're kind of doing right now is we're going through, we've got 9 of them set up on this rolling table right here. We're just working our way down and taking off each component, the same component on every machine each time, because we found out that you can disassemble one machine in 2 hours, or you can do 9 machines in 2 hours. If we work in an assembly line fashion, we're able to efficiently knock them all out in the same amount of time. So what we're doing, as you can see, Lamira's taking off hardware, and then we're going to recycle those in the bins behind you guys. And then the next step from here would be to throw it in the cleaner and clean off all of the shipping grease, which you can kind of see here. I don't know if you want to zoom in. All of the machines are shipped over with a nice orange, kind of looks like rust, but it's not actually rust, it's just grease. So we're going to go ahead and clean all those guys off. That's the next step. Alright guys, welcome back. So what you see here in front of you is the lathe that we were showing earlier with all of the components that we don't use stripped off. And then these guys right here have been put into our mineral spirits bath and cleaned. That way all of the shipping and packing grease gets removed. So as you can see earlier, the way I described earlier, we use the commercial off-the-shelf system. We take an already readily available product, strip it of all of the components that we don't need, which the only thing that we do need at this point is the castings, the spindle motor, and then the spindle control board with tailstock. Everything else we machine in-house and produce. All right, so the next steps from here would be to complete our teardown of the remaining lathes, get them cleaned, and then all of the castings go to Joe, where he does all of our CNC operations on them, and then from there we throw them in the bodies and get them broken in and tested. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Catch you later.